Hello, welcome to the session on File and Make Step Fit, Angular Fit, Angle, Surfaces, Part 1. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to mark off lines using vernier height gauge, file steps maintaining accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm, mark 45-degree angle using vernier bevel protractor, file angle maintaining 1 degree accuracy, make step and angular fit, finish and deburr. Let us now look at the material and tools required for filing and making different fittings. Rough file, tri-square, mild steel plate, steel rule, bench vise, vernier caliper, oiler, bevel protractor, height gauge, web chisel, drilling machine, ball peen hammer, measuring tape, metal brush. Now, we will look at the sequence of operations. Part 1. Checking raw material. Check the raw material to ensure it meets the required size specifications of 70 × 50 × 9 mm. Raw material sizing. Use a hacksaw blade and rough grade file to bring the material to the required dimensions of 70 × 50 × 9 mm while ensuring parallelism and perpendicularity. Applying marking media and marking. Use any colored chalk and apply it evenly over the surface of the workpiece. Also, Persian blue color marking paste shall be used as applying media for marking. Set the height of the gauge as per the requirement and do the markings. Witness marking. Mark the part with the number 1 for identification and punch the witness marks. While striking the punch, gentle blocks give good track of witness marks. Drilling relief holes. Mount the part in the bench drilling machine and then drill 3 relief holes with a diameter of 3 mm as indicated in the job drawing. Use coolant in between the drilling process. Chain drilling holes. Perform chain drilling operation around the part 1 to facilitate the removal of excess material by using web chisel and finish with high-grade file. Chipping excess material. Cut and remove the excess material using a web chisel and ball peen hammer. After removing, use rough file and remove the uneven surfaces by filing out. Filing excess material. File the steps to the required size with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm and at an angle of 45 degree with a precision of 1 degree using different grades of files. Checking the size. After filing, check the size of the part using a vernier caliper and verify the angle using a bevel gauge. Let's recap the key points discussed. Drill 3 relief holes with a diameter of 3 mm. File the steps to the required size with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm and at an angle of 45 degree with a precision of 1 degree using different grades of files. Ensure the filing is done carefully and accurately to achieve the required dimensions. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding of filing and making step fit, angular fit, angle, surfaces with a bevel gauge accuracy of 1 degree, part 1. See you in the next session.